Morning traders, in front of your Alpha Fibonacci system, very important key part. This is a stunning bullish reversals. With the power of your brilliant mind, with Alpha Fibonacci system you knew many days in advance. Right now intelligent trader understands we need price as close as possible to this level. This is a moment you do not leave the screen. Lower is better. This is ultimate place to be. But price never crushes all the way down. It takes baby steps. We are at key support. You cannot short near. Every single day you engrave in your subconscious brilliant, intelligent, strategic trading or not. You preserve your brain power. You are not speculating. This is key moment in front of you now. Lower is better. If not, and we stuck mid-trend, not a good news at all. You want to be as low as possible, as close as possible to reversal zone. We stuck here where price have been for the last 6 hours. It's a problem. It's the chop. You don't want the chop, you want the power. All the details in today's live class. So if I convert this chart right now on 5-minute chart, this is what's playing out. We've been here for the last, my goodness, how many hours? 6. No one is surprised. Buyers already stepping in. Of course. It's a bold green line, not the place to short. You decide to short, it's gambling, not trading. Bullish pullbacks will be vicious. So, for the last 5 hours, price been stuck in junky chop. It doesn't matter what chart you trade. It's all about emotional habits you build each and every day. We're stuck, market in pain. We need a crash, we need collapse. Success rate on shorts, a lot less than 20%. Price is stuck. What is success rate on driving through red light? Tell me. Will you survive? Oops, not a good idea. It's a bold red light. On each and every trade you ask yourself a question. What is the highest probability? What is your risk? Can you afford to trade with 20% success rate? I certainly hope not. Can you conquer your testosterone and your desire to short? Price is stuck, market in pain, testing you to the core. No quality trades here. They do not exist. Market in pain. We need powerful pullback. We need for price to crash through this mid-trend. We need to be as close as possible to here. Not at 20% short. Whatever you do every day, you will do more of tomorrow. Scarcity mindset wants a lucky point. That's 95%. Do you want a lucky point? Or do you want to live and breathe as top 1% does? Do you want to trade with the lowest probability? Do you want to be in pain? Or do you want to trade with highest success rate? Choice is yours. You decide. When price is giving you such junky trading ranges, when software is screaming out loud, market in pain, preserve your brain power, walk away. Don't cause pain in your subconscious, please. You want to win long term? You're only interested in the highest probability trade, not in pain. Do not speculate in the markets. Choose quality trading, nothing less. So this is the software that we will discuss with students in class. This is a purity, nothing less. What do you see on this chart? Price collapses when it comes to reversal zone. This is key target, nothing less. This is key target, but this is a crawl for a very good reason. This is historical high. Intelligent trader understands very well every pullback still being bought. So when you start focusing on pure price and you start understanding the difference in your trading range and the lowest versus highest quality trades, you stop being in pain. You stop scarcity mindset. Lower is better. Quality trading is here, not here. Pain is a best case scenario here. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Doesn't matter. That's it. This is the space intelligent trader preserves time and brain power for. No speculation here. All in advance. Days in advance on this chart. Ultimate place for day trader to be. That's it. When you know ultimate bottom and ultimate top, you know highest probability trading. And that's critical preparation for your trade. And that's the most crucial part each and every day. Do you remember oil news yesterday morning? Do you remember how bullish news was? Do you? My goodness. We identified well before the news. This is not the place to buy. How many points did oil collapse after the news? From 84 all the way to 80. This chart present in the trading room for the last month. There is no surprise, all precise. Key levels remained obeyed, no matter what chart you trade. To remind you, oil news event extremely bullish. Here we are. Oops! Not a good idea to buy oil. Collapse from 84.50 to 81. No surprise where oil rallying from now. Intelligent trader with a single glimpse knows what to do on oil next. And that's the purity of the system. And that's the previous week on oil. Oil News Traders, October 27th. Here's oil news event traders, minus 3.3. My goodness, how is it possible? Oil skyrocketing, but oil news is so bearish. Oil skyrocketed from 81 to 84.70. Look at that. Time and time again, Picture perfect reminder. Trading on the news will never make you money. Trading pure price with Alpha Fibonacci does. And you know many hours and days in advance that this is not the place to short, no matter how bearish the news is. This is a place of buying, not shorting the markets. Again and again and again. This was actually November 3rd. Let me show you both previous weeks. Oil news was bearish 4.3. October 27th and November 3rd, both bearish news. Again, October 27th, bearish. Again, November 3rd, bearish. You want to short on bearish news? Not a good idea. You want to short on bearish news? Oops. You want to buy on bullish news? This is oil in the last 3 weeks. For the last 5 weeks, oil in excruciating pain at historical high. Nothing in common between trading oil here, before oil skyrocketed from this level, trading oil here versus trading oil here. At this moment, your preparation for your trade will make or break you as a trader. Trading this requires ultimate skill. That's a case at historical high that can last for weeks, months, and years. All the details in the live class, how to identify reversal zone, hours, days, weeks, months, and years in advance. Big money does not trade 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Big money holding positions for months and years. So if you understand the power of reversal zone on oil, you're not holding your oil stocks. You are witnessing historical crash after key support is out. And when oil in free fall, you understand it's a historical sell-off. Oil showing historical reversal zone. Skip forward another 2 years later. You are not losing money on your oil stocks. You understand extremely well. This is historical crash. You are not losing money. You are not in panic. And when price reaches reversal zone, it's a historical event. Ultimate place to buy oil. So these are the events on oil traders. This is very powerful reminder. Chasing markets not a good idea. Speculating never a good idea. Strategizing as intelligent trader, very good idea. Do you know what to do with your stocks on oil? We're at reversal zone again for the last 5 weeks. That's it. This is institutional chart. This is day trading chart. All the events on oil for the last 3 weeks, for the last many years show you time and time again. Alpha Fibonacci system, much more powerful than news will ever be. So make an effort, please. Stop blocking the price with indicators. Start focusing on pure price. And when you do, no matter what chart you trade, you are very well prepared for any earnings, any news event. Tesla selling off, it's at reversal zone. This is a key level on Tesla in front of you right now. But how Tesla skyrocketed from this support is a very powerful reminder why you do not want to miss live class next on module 3 and 4. Again and again and again. All of these entry points from key support identified months ahead and years as well. Here's gold, institutional reversals to the upside, to the downside. Let's go back to May 2020. Breathtaking points of entry on gold. You trade as investor, you buying the bottom. You trade as day trader, you buying the bottom. You are never shorting near this level. You understand the importance of bold pink line. Gold stuck in this trading range for months. This is key moment on gold, and as always, one step at a time. Do not speculate. Identify what's appropriate for you. You can day and position trade any instrument you choose. This is a system in front of you. Have not touched charts on gold in years. Market is a stepping stone. This is exact same place where we are on S&P this morning, mid-trend. We're not at the top, are we? To remind you that. Did we know or did we know that buyers will step in? Of course. It's a green zone, not the place to short near. The only option at the green zone to buy from. And that's exact same strategy on oil before and after the news, on gold, on Tesla. Do you want to exit your position before the crash? Do you want to know where ultimate bottom is? Do you want to understand the middle of the mid-trend? All the details in bootcamp and in course, in live classes and video library available to you 24/7. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? When you focus on pure price, the skies are the limit. With Alpha Fibonacci System, this is predictive and precise system. Key moment on gold. Key moment on S&P. No speculation. Intelligent trader understands. Response at this level will determine markets for many hours to come. So this is by far the best time of the year to join us. Once a year I teach annual trading bootcamp. If you're joining us right now, you are very, very fortunate. Trading bootcamp included at no extra cost in the last 2 spaces we have left. So if you review all the information carefully, you would understand every single one of these packages includes a bootcamp. This bootcamp will never, ever, ever repeat again. In 1 week, you will learn much more than the previous many years. You will start seeing clearly. It's a world of difference how to trade as hedge fund traders do versus as retail traders do. So when you start thinking and trading as hedge fund managers and traders do, your trading shifts to drastically higher level. You're no longer chasing markets. You're no longer speculating. You're riding institutional power. And when you do, you can trade futures, stocks, options, ETFs, Bitcoin, Forex, any instrument that has price. Alpha Fibonacci System applies. And most importantly, as traders share time and time again, you would understand where markets are brutal and vicious versus spectacular. You will plan your vacations around brutal markets. You will cancel your vacations as hedge fund traders do during spectacular markets. You will trade strategically as intelligent, proactive trader. And most importantly, as Ray Dalio says, the only way you can become successful if you detox your mind and optimize your brain. This is a starting point. This is the key. Without it, there is no success. Considering especially the events of current crisis that reminding you that optimizing your brain, optimizing your mindset is a crucial part. Because with a single glimpse each and every day you understand there is no crisis by looking at this chart. The biggest vertical rally becoming more powerful, and it can last many more years to come. Anyone seeing the crisis? Anyone seeing the panic? Of course not. This is pure blessed. This is multiplied profits many folds over. There is no the crash. So if you want to identify institutional entry points well before they play out, I look forward working with you. All the details in the bootcamp and in the live classes and in video library. If you are a graduate of the course, please contact me for a special invoice. And please understand, this event will never repeat again. Bootcamp included value of $3,000 in every package. If you're considering private mentoring package, please speak with me first. I need to make sure we can work together with schedule. Private mentoring, very full. So please understand, the discounts had never been bigger. This is the biggest discounts in 11 years. So please review all the details on the website and understand. This is a lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. Second package, the most popular package, includes any platform, system for any platform, or software for Ninja 8 with live courses, video library, and bootcamp. For private mentoring, speak with me first, because it all will start with this. Power of pure price that's shown you. Market is weak. We remain stuck at the bold green line. Buyers keep defending this level viciously since the market opened. What is the problem? Buyers are weak. So when you start separating weakness from power, you will start trading as these traders do. listen to podcasts with students' emails I receive. If these traders can do it, so can you. Again and again and again, any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.